Once upon a time, there was a forest where plenty of birds lived and built their nests on the trees. There lived many kinds of birds, who always quarreled with one another. One day, there was a rhinoceros walking into this forest and saw that there were lots of birds on the trees. The rhinoceros that was hungry banged a tree with his horn until a nest of the bluebirds fell down. Then the rhinoceros ate the nestlings in that nest. The mother bird was very angry, but she could do nothing. After the rhinoceros had eaten all the nestlings, he walked away. All the birds scattered and discussed their opinions. "The rhinoceros will surely come back again," said the pink bird. "We must get together to drive him away." "No, that rhinoceros is very big and strong," said the red bird. "I agree with you. We cannot drive him away," said the yellow bird. Because these birds were used to quarrel among themselves, they did not agree to the pink bird's idea. So, no one prepared to fight against the rhinoceros. With nobody agreed to the plan, the pink bird and his mate discussed between them. "There is another way but to help ourselves." So, they moved their nest to a tree which was on a cliff, where the rhinoceros would never reach. The next day, the rhinoceros came to the forest and again used its horn to bang a tree where the yellow birds lived. As a result, the yellow bird's nest fell down. After that, the rhinoceros banged many other trees. Thus, a lot of nestlings and eggs became his fault. All the birds regret that they did not prepare to cope with the rhinoceros. On the other hand, the pink bird's family remained safe as they were prepared for the expected danger.